I didn't post a video last week as I didn't see much above ground progress, but passing by on the highway the other day, I knew I had to make a stop. Here you see a couple of iron workers and a ground crew with a telehandler getting a roof truss installed. Meanwhile, a truck inside is ready to unload more roof trusses. While these guys are at it, another load of trusses arrives, followed by a load of gravel. There's some delicate handling, and I'm not sure how that guy on the south side got there, and I'm not sure how he's getting down. The gas barn now has a roof, and there's always more earth to move and grading to be done. Here's an overview of the roof today as it stands. And you can see there's still lots more to be done and lots more material on hand. That's all for today. Enjoy your Canada Day weekend, and we'll be back again with you next week for a bigger update. Thanks again.